What if we could turn noise into data that informs action? Securaxis combined acoustic detection and machine learning, allowing for real-time localization, classification, reporting and analysis of specific sounds in any environment. Monitoring traffic by counting the number and type of vehicles, their direction of travel, and by detecting accidents. Monitoring wildlife by identifying and counting certain species. Improving security and emergency response by monitoring specific sound associated with violence, such as gunshots, explosions, screaming, breaking glass. Our sensors can be powered in different ways, depending on the context. Likewise, the data can be sent through a variety of communication channels, ready for hybridization. Turn sound into data that informs action.